নমস্কার। ও God is great. He has given enormous power in our body which we cannot utilize. If we can charge it, then our resistance power, immunity power will increase and our disease will be less. Yoga can do miracle. First we have to believe it. If we do yoga daily, regularly, correctly, and with concentration and with belief, then we must get the result. Result may not come in one day, it can take time, but the disease will be removed from the root. For that, we have to change our lifestyle. We go to bed early at night. We wake up in the morning early. Drink warm water. Then do some exercise. Warm-up exercises. Jogging, skipping, movement of hands and feet. After doing warm-up exercises, we do some asana. Today we will discuss about migraine and headache. Sarvangasana, Sirsasana is very important for migraine because the heart is reverted and the blood is flow, it's vast. Heart has to send blood against gravitational pull, and when our head is down, then this portion gets more blood. But remember, after Sarvangasana or Sirsasana, Matsyasana is must. So, you may not have any disease, but prevention is better than cure. One important asana for migraine is Paschimottanasana. Sit on the ground or on the bed with legs stretched. Try to touch your feet with your finger. You can see more videos in YouTube. Yoga Dilip Sen. Warm-up exercise and then asana and then pranayam. Pranayam is very important. Our parts of our body get more oxygen by pranayam. The first pranayam is Bhastrika. Bhastrika is instrument of a blacksmith. So that instrument is our lungs. So we have to clean our lungs by air. Deep breathing. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale slowly. And advanced yoga. Inhale, hold, exhale. Purak, Kumbhak is most important, and then Recha. So holding of breath is up to your limit. Whenever you will feel uncomfortable, then stop. So Bhastrika, holding of breath, exhale. Again. Bhastrika to be done for 5 minutes. Next is Kapalbhati. Exhale and pull your belly inside once in a second. It is very good for digestive system. So exhale. Kapalbhati is to be continued for 10 to 15 minutes. For beginners, whenever you are tired, stop, take rest, and then start again. 15 minutes means 900 strokes. Onulom Bilom Pranayam. Nadi Shodhan. For migraine, put 2 fingers here. Start by left nostril. Hold your breath. Exhale by right. Inhale by right. Hold. Exhale by left. Inhale by left. Hold. Exhale by right. This holding may be 5 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, up to your capacity, your limit. This Onulom Bilom is to be continued for 10 minutes. Now, most important pranayam for migraine headache is Bhramari. Bhramar means bee. So we will make sound like a bee. Thumb, close your ear, 3 fingers here and 2 fingers on Agga Chakra and make the sound. Again. For migraine, you can continue any time and several times a day, maybe 50 times, 100 times, and you have to continue it. You will get result. Now about acupressure and massage. Top of ring finger, press it hard 20 times. Top of thumb, here on forehead, on Agga Chakra. Now press and rotate 10 times, opposite 10 times. By the side of the eyebrow here, opposite. Opposite. Center of the head, press. back of the head, tap like this. Several times. After any acupressure, we must press the kidney point. This middle finger touches here, this kidney point. Press it. The other hand. Believe, if we continue doing yoga regularly with belief, then the problem will decrease gradually. It may take time, but it will be recovered from the root. We should avoid cigarette, coffee, alcohol, spicy food, fast food. Remain happy, healthy, smiling, and tension free. Thank you.